Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be drawing a realistic burger. I kind of lost most of the footage, so I had to actually get the Procreate time-lapse footage, so I'm sorry for that. So once you have a reference, or you could draw this from your mind, it's really your choice. You kind of need to sketch out the burger. You've got the burger bun, the patty, the vegetables, cheese, the lettuce, like whatsoever that's inside the burger. So once you sketched it out, you need to find the colors. The palette will be in the link in the description. So I kind of combined brown and orange and yellow and like more combinations and peach and like those type of colors to create the perfect looking burger bun. So I colored in the cheese and I gave it some shading, and for this illustration or whatsoever, like for this drawing specifically, I didn't want it to have a black outline, so I just like selected the colors of the thing I was outlining and just like made it like, you know, without a black outline. One thing that I have to say for sure, that the most difficult part for me to shade was the burger patty, because the colors were too dark and they had to go in with really very dark shades of brown and dark shades of black, and like it was kind of hard to add as texture and detail in the burger, like in the burger patty. So never give up, like just don't give up on it and just keep on trying until you're satisfied with it. So I added in the vegetables and stuff, and then as you guys can see, I'm outlining the burger bun and the cheese and the stuff like in the original color. I don't want it to be like outlined in black. And I added in an optional step. If you guys want to, you can add a little bit of ketchup on the burger, and that's it. Like that's completely it. I felt that this turned out really nice and looked really realistic. And now, like, you know, I was cleaning up in some lines and fixing them, because you want to have a clean and satisfied look. And I changed in the background color. Added a little bit of shadow to give a little bit of dimension. And I added small little sesame seeds and changed the opacity, and to be honest, I feel like it gave it a really nice look. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my last video up there. And bye. See you in my next one.